Chapter 6 E-commerce. Chapter includes understand the underlying concepts of e-commerce, learn online buying and selling of goods and services, learn online modes of payment, credit card, debit card, e-money. Timeline and frames. The timeline is above the stage in the hash workspace. The timeline, which contains layers and framer, helps you to organize assets in your document and also controls a document's content over time. Flash document like movies or sound, which is measured using frames. The red playhead selects which part of the timeline is visible on the stage. Open basic animation demos frame by frame. Flash start and drag the playhead back and forth. This is called scrubbing the timeline. Keyframes are the only frames you may edit. All keyframes have small circles on them. Keyframes with visible content have solid circles, while blank keyframes have hollow circles. Click on the several different keyframes and watch the content on the stage. Change. You can hide or lock any layer by clicking on the dot under the eyeball to hide or the lock to lock. Click on the eyeball or lock directly to hide or lock all layers at once. Adding frames, keyframes and blank keyframes. When you want to build an animation, you will need to add keyframes to the timeline at the point in time in which you need to make an edit. There are two main ways to do this. First, you can right-click at the junction of the layer and frame, and then choose Keyframe from the shortcut menu. Or you can choose Insert Timeline from the menus once you have pre-selected the proper layer and frame. The following are shortcuts you may use to add different types of frames. Insert Frame D5. This adds frames that extend from the previous frame to the selected frame. It extends content on the stage, but these frames are not editable. Insert Keyframe if 6. This adds an editable keyframe, but it also copies any content from the previous keyframe. This is helpful in animating objects since it gives you another instance of the object to work with. Insert Blank Keyframe if 7. This also adds an editable keyframe, but it will be blank. This is useful if you have ended an animation and want to start with nothing in that frame. Open the following demos saved as basic animation demos, frame by frame car, flash swap. You will find that a car is being animated across the screen. Types of e-commerce. Business to business, B2B. B2B stands for business to business. It consists of the largest form of e-commerce. This model defines that buyer and the seller both are businesses, typically when one business sources material to the other for manufacturer. Business to employed, B2E. B2E is business to employee, an approach in which the focus of business is the employee rather than the consumer, as it is in B2B. In a broad sense, B2E encompasses everything to attract and retain well-qualified staff in a competitive market. Business to consumer, B2C. B2C is the indirect trade between the company and consumers. It provides direct online selling, for example, selling goods and service to customers so that anybody can purchase any product directly from supplier's website. Direct interaction with the customers is the main difference with other business models. Unlike B2B, it manages direct relationship with consumers. B2B, supply chain normally benefits. Consumer to consumer, C2C. C2C stands for consumer to consumer. It helps the online dealing of goods or service among people. There is generally a third party involved which provides the online platform to perform transactions. Online payment. An e-commerce payment system facilitates the acceptance of electronic payment for online transactions. Increasingly popular due to the widespread use of the internet-based shopping and banking. Some of the model of electronic payment are following: credit card, debit card, e-money, electronic fund transfer EFT. Credit card. Credit card is a small plastic card with a unique number attached with an account. It also has a magnetic strip embedded in it, which is used to read credit card via card readers. When a customer purchases a product via credit card issuer bank pays on behalf of the customer. Debit card. Debit card, like credit card, is a small plastic card which is a unique number mapped with the bank account number. On payments through debit card, the amount gets deducted from card's bank account immediately. E-money. E-money transactions refer to situations where payment is done over the network and the amount gets transferred from one financial body to another financial body without any involvement of a middleman. E-money transactions are faster, convenient, and save a lot of time. Electronic fund transfer EFT. It is a very popular electronic payment method to transfer money from one bank account to another bank account. Accounts can be in same bank or different banks. Funds transfer can be done using ATM, automated teller machine, or using computer. Mobile commerce. Mobile commerce, also known as m-commerce, is the use of wireless handheld devices like cell phones and tablets to conduct commercial transactions online. Mobile shopping, mobile banking, mobile payments provides a better experience for customers. Phenomenal growth potential. Variety of payment options. The path of e-commerce transaction. E-commerce is carried out as follows. 1. The customer finds out the product from online shopping listings. 2. The customer collects an electronic shopping cart. 3. The customer enters a secure website displaying various payment information. 4. The financial information filled in by the customer is sent to the bank for verification. Bank verifies and sends authorization to the e-retailer. 5. E-retailer sends a confirmed section to the customer through its web server. The order comes in process. 6. The product are packed according to the order. Then they are transferred forward for the shipment. 7. The order is carried to the customer. All the shipment details are uploaded on the website. 8. At last, the product is delivered to the customer. The customer also gives a confirmation of receiving the product. Online shopping. Online shopping is a form of electronic commerce which allows consumers to directly buy goods or services from a seller. Name, full address, contact number, postal code, credit card, debit card number, security code. You must have an account with the online shopping site to buy products available for sale. There are many online shopping websites which allow us to buy and sell products. Read the steps given to shop online to buy a product. Step 1. Open Internet Explorer on any other browser and type the address of any online shopping website. For example, http://www.flipkart.com. The home page of the website opens. Step 2. Search the product you want to buy. Step 3. Read the specification of the product. Click on Buy Now to the product. Step 4. My cart window will appear. Click on Proceed to pay. Step 5. If you have created an account, enter the details correctly. If you have not created an account, you can create the account. To create an account, Step 1. Enter email ID. Step 2. Enter a password. Step 3. Re-enter the password. Step 4. Click on Sign Up. Step 5. Enter the shipping address. Step 6. Click on Ship to this address. Step 7. The mode of payment option will appear. Click on any one option. Step 8. Fill in the details for the payment and then click on Confirm Payment. Step 9. The Confirm Order page will appear. Click on Confirm Order Pay. The order confirmation page will appear as shown below. We will get the updates of the order on our email ID and contact number. Key points. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce, which means buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. There are 4 basic models of e-commerce business, namely business to consumer, consumer, business to business, and business to employee. E-commerce allows people to carry out business without any barriers of time and distance. E-commerce is the cheapest model of business setup. E-commerce is ideal for niche products for which there are few customers. E-commerce saves time as less time is spent in resolving invoice and order discrepancies. B2C describes the activities of business serving consumers with goods or services. Before making an online purchase, make sure you know all the information needed.